Welcome to this moment of powerful manifestation. You are about to align yourself with the energy of abundance, joy, and exciting new possibilities. Something amazing is on its way to you, and these affirmations will help you open your heart and mind to receive it fully. Take a deep breath, relax, and let these words become your truth. Repeat them with belief, knowing that the universe is working in your favor. Let's begin. Something wonderful is unfolding for me right now. I am open and ready to receive limitless blessings. Abundance flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I trust that the universe is leading me to something great. My heart is open to all the magic life has to offer. Everything is aligning perfectly for my highest good. I attract happiness, prosperity, and love effortlessly. I welcome new opportunities with confidence and joy. The best things in life are making their way to me. I am worthy of extraordinary experiences. I trust in the timing of my journey. Great things are happening for me every single day. I am a powerful magnet for success and joy. The universe is working behind the scenes for my highest good. I am stepping into a life of unlimited abundance. My energy attracts miracles and opportunities. I am always in the right place at the right time. Every step I take is bringing me closer to something amazing. My life is filled with endless possibilities. I attract good fortune, success, and joy effortlessly. Something life-changing is on its way to me. I welcome divine timing and trust in the process. My path is filled with success, happiness, and abundance. I radiate confidence, joy, and gratitude. I am creating a life filled with love and fulfillment. Every day my life gets better and better. I am aligned with the frequency of abundance and joy. I embrace the unknown with faith and excitement. My life is unfolding in beautiful and unexpected ways. I welcome new opportunities with an open heart. I trust that my dreams are already on their way to me. The universe is filling my life with happiness and success. I am prepared for the incredible things coming my way. Everything I want is already on its way to me. I am worthy of all the good coming into my life. I am a beacon of positivity and abundance. My success is inevitable and my joy is limitless. I trust, believe, and know that my future is bright. I am attracting the right people, places, and opportunities. Something extraordinary is about to change my life. Every moment is leading me to my best life. I am grateful for all the abundance flowing to me. The universe is blessing me beyond my imagination. Something amazing is happening for me right now. I am aligned with the energy of limitless possibilities. My life is unfolding in miraculous ways. I welcome abundance, love, and joy into my life every day. New opportunities present themselves to me. I am magnetizing success, happiness, and fulfillment. The best is yet to come, and I am ready for it. I am open to receiving all the goodness life has to offer. My dreams are manifesting into reality right now. I trust that everything is unfolding perfectly for me. The universe is showering me with endless blessings. I am attracting wealth, love, and happiness effortlessly. Exciting new opportunities are finding me every day. I am ready to receive unexpected miracles. My future is bright, and I welcome it with open arms. My heart is filled with gratitude for all that is coming my way. I am surrounded by infinite possibilities. The universe supports me in every step I take. I am constantly evolving into the best version of myself. Every challenge is leading me to greater success. I radiate love, joy, and positivity wherever I go. My life is an endless flow of miracles and blessings. I embrace change with confidence and excitement. Everything is always working out for my highest good. I am an unstoppable force of abundance and happiness. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams. I am a vessel of limitless creativity and inspiration. I deserve all the love and success coming my way. My dreams are manifesting faster than I ever imagined. I trust the divine plan for my life. I am grateful for the infinite blessings flowing to me. Each day brings new opportunities and possibilities. I am a magnet for joy, love, and abundance. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. My faith in the universe is unshakable. I am worthy of miracles beyond my imagination. I am constantly attracting prosperity and success. The universe is always working in my favor. I am stepping into a new chapter of blessings and joy. I am deeply connected to the abundance of the universe. I trust that life is unfolding exactly as it should. Every experience is shaping me into a stronger person. I release all doubt and welcome divine guidance. My journey is filled with magic, love, and abundance. I celebrate every success, big and small. I am attracting perfect opportunities effortlessly. I am grateful for the love and support surrounding me. My life is overflowing with infinite possibilities. I trust that the best is yet to come, and I welcome it with open arms. Take a deep breath and feel the energy of these words settling within you. The more you affirm, the more you align yourself with the abundance already making its way to you. Trust, believe, and stay open, because something amazing is coming to you. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next affirmation session.